Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my basement and my treadmill. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your lovely comments, for subscribing. Don't forget to ring the bell as soon as you can so that you get all my newest recipes, tips, podcasts, grocery shopping ideas, meal prep and meal planning ideas by email, okay? So I just have a quick tip for you guys. It's around setting goals. Setting goals are key. And you have to be realistic, okay? Because you want them to be attainable, you want them to be achievable so that you will do them and continue to do them, okay? And it doesn't have to just be for exercise. It could be for tracking, drinking water, meal planning, even for fun activities, things that you love to do. I mean, you may love to do those things as well, but you know what I mean, getting together with people. So, my tip, okay, listen up. For example, when you're exercising, start off with maybe 2 days a week, and give yourself time and a date, all right? So look at your calendar and see when it's convenient and push yourself. I get up an hour early, well, a few hours early, because I like my me time. So I know that when I get up at 5:15, I don't start work till 8:30. I get to work about 6:30, 6:45, and then I have my time to go for my walk, or in the cold weather, I walk inside. I do different videos. Okay, so I'll say to myself, I'm gonna walk now like 4 times a week, Monday through Thursday, and give my body a break at 7 in the morning or 6:30 in the morning. So I schedule it in. If I know I'm going to be very busy, then I say that I'm going to do it at 4:30 when I come home from work. For example, today I said I was going to do it after the dentist. I had my teeth cleaned. So then I'm accountable. Write it down as well if that helps. Put it in your phone, put it in your calendar. So then you have the time, you have the date, you're accountable. And tell people. I tell everybody. I post it. And so then I'm really accountable. And I let people know that I've done it. And I feel so proud. You're going to feel proud of yourself. When you're grocery shopping or before you go grocery shopping, make a list. Look in your cupboards. Look in your fridge. See what you need. Think of a few things that you can make for that week. If one of your goals is to eat more vegetables, so make a list of the vegetables you want, and when you come home, you cut them up. Some of them you can even roast and then put them into little baggies and mark them so you have them. They're pre-made. Cut them up, put them into some containers so they stay fresh. That helps. These are just small little tips that you can do for your goal planning. If you want to see your friends, again, look at your calendar, call them, email them, text them. Who calls people anymore, really? But it is nice to hear people's voices, I have to say. My mother won't even get a computer or a cell phone because she wants to hear people's voices. Anyways, so, you set a date. Look up the restaurant, see what they have. Check out the menus so then you can pre-plan and then there's no excuses, and the other thing about goals is rewards. Then you can reward yourself, right? After you've done it, and say that you're going to buy yourself something after losing 5 pounds. Don't wait till it's 10 or 15 or 25. Even if your goal is 3 pounds like me, reward yourself afterwards. Buy yourself something, even if it's some flowers, or go for a manicure, pedicure, a new book, whatever it is, do that. Because again, we all like to work for something, right? Motivation, inspiration is key. So when you do that, then you're most likely to do it again because it feels good. And when you feel good and you're positive and you're happy, you'll make things happen, right? You know I'm right. I tell people I may not be an expert, but I have lots of experience. And this is a lifelong journey for myself too. I'm not perfect. I need reminders to track. I'm the old-fashioned way. I write it down. And when I track, I don't just track food. I track my exercise. I track what I'm doing, my plans. And then I can look back and I can see when I've lost weight or when I bought myself something new or where I've been because I get forgetful. That's what happens when you get older. Don't do it. Anyways, that helps too. So whatever it is that you're working on, and again, it can be anything. So look at the dates on your calendar, write it down, put it in your phone, in your calendar, set times, and then just do it. I promise that it will become a habit. It takes about 3 weeks to form a habit or to break old habits and achieve the goals that you want to achieve. And then you challenge yourself. Okay, so if you started off with 2 days a week, then move it up to 3 days a week. If you did low impact, then try a little bit of 5 minutes of high impact. Always challenge yourself, try to do different things because otherwise your body gets used to it. Even with food, try different foods, different recipes. Check out all my other recipes. I love to grocery shop. I like to look at different things that they have in the store. And that helps too because you want to shake things up, right? So again, whatever you're working on, you have to change things up so that your body doesn't just get complacent and used to what you're doing, especially if you're still trying to lose weight. And even when you're maintaining, like me, you go up and down a few pounds here and there, and then you have to get back on track again. It's a journey. It's going to be like that for your life. Nobody is perfect, people. Anyways, I'm on my treadmill and I'm not going very fast and I need to move it up so that I can get lots of Fitbit points. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Set goals, small, realistic, attainable, achievable. Reward yourself, change it up, find different things that you can do. Speak to your doctor if you can't do a lot of different ones. You can go on YouTube, check out new recipes, reward yourself, go out, do things, enjoy, have fun while you're doing it, and check out YouTube videos for other exercises. Make sure you drink your water, tracking, whatever it is you're working on. You can do this. I believe in you, and now it's time for you to believe in yourself. So take care. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now.